Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a homemade pizza. It's delicious, it's cheesy, it's gluten-free, it's keto-friendly. You will love it. So make sure you try this at home and let me know what you think. I will leave the recipe and all the ingredients in the description below. So let's get started. This recipe you can make either for lunch or for dinner, and you only need a few ingredients. So here I have some pulled chicken, which I cooked before with salt and some seasoning. You need olive oil, and for this olive oil here I'm using this brand from Costco, organic extra virgin olive oil. I'm using 1 cup of chicken, so you will need 1 egg, but if you double the recipe, then you're gonna need 2 eggs. You will need some baking powder, and for this one, I'm using the baking powder from Trader Joe's. So these 4 ingredients is what you will need to make the pizza dough. Now for the toppings, you will need some cheese, and for this cheese here, I'm using the brand from Costco. It's the double learner. It's delicious, this cheese. Oh my god, I always get this cheese at Costco. So you will need some pizza sauce, and this pizza sauce here, I'm using the brand from Trader Joe's. It's the Trader Joe's fat-free pizza sauce. And then for the toppings, they are all optional. I'm using tomato, this is the red onions, I'm using olives and oregano. To make the dough, you're gonna need the food processor. So then you start first adding the chicken. For this dough, I'm using only 1 cup of chicken, and I will use 1 egg. But if you're using 2 cups of chicken, you double the recipe, you will need 2 eggs. Now you add your olive oil. And next, you add the egg. As I cook my chicken already with salt and other seasoning, I'm not adding any seasoning here. But if you did not cook your chicken with any seasoning, then please add some salt or the seasoning of your preference. Now let's close the lid and make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Now with a spatula, let's check it out how smooth is the dough. Once you see that your dough is creamy, you no longer will need your food processor. Now you will add the baking powder and mix it very well. Now you're gonna need some butter. I'm using this pure Irish butter. I also got that from Costco. So you will just need to grease the dish a little bit so the dough won't stick it to the dish. This size here, it's 9 by 9 and 3 inches deep. So once you make sure that you put enough butter, you will start adding the dough slowly. Now I will use a spoon to help spread out the dough in the dish. As you can see, I like to tap with the spoon like this, so it helps to spread out the dough. Once you made the dough as flat as possible, it's ready to go to the oven. You will leave your dough in the oven for for 15 minutes or until it's golden. As you can see, it's already golden around it and a little bit on the top. So now it's time for the toppings. We will start with the pizza sauce. Now it's time for the shredded cheese. If you like your pizza only with cheese, you end here, but I like other toppings. Of course, I love oregano, so let's add some oregano here. I like some onions, so other people don't love onions in a pizza, but I do, so I'm adding some onions here. Then some cherry tomatoes. Oh my god, they taste so good in a pizza too. So let's add some cherry tomatoes. And last but not least, let's add some olives. I love olives, so let's put tons of olives here in my pizza. And a little bit more oregano. Why not? Now you're gonna pop your pizza in the oven for another 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And here you have it. Homemade pizza. It's so cheesy and delicious. Yum! My house smells amazing, so let me cut a few slices of this pizza. So check it out, this pizza. Look at this dough, it's so fluffy and delicious. You must give this recipe a try. It's keto friendly, no carbs, gluten free, your whole family will love it. So leave me a comment below if you made this pizza at home, what your favorite toppings are, and I hope you enjoy this pizza as much as we love it here at home. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe so we can stay connected. And see you in my next video.